Hey, it's John McLauchlan. Welcome to another video. Just before we get started with today's case study, it's day 37. This cough has returned, so if I cut the video short, it's because I've just fallen into a fit of coughing, so apologies in advance. So we'll see how we go. We'll see how we can get through. So with day 37, we're still promoting Clickbank products using myleadgensecret. As you can see here, currently, we'll just refresh the page, currently 15 sales as we had yesterday. So yeah, 6,765 hops, 178 impressions, 15 sales, 8.43 conversion rate, and 25541 is the gross earnings. So that will add up as well, because some of the sales that came in haven't been added to that yet. Right, so let's crack on. Let me just tell you a little bit about myleadgensecret. In fact, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll get logged in first. That'll be good. There we go. And we'll log into account number 1. So again, if you don't know what myleadgensecret is, I know a lot of people do, but it solves one of the biggest problems most online marketers have, which is to get more leads. Okay, and essentially, if you've got leads coming in, you've got people to talk to, you've got the possibility of sustaining a business. Okay, so myleadgensecret will give you 100 co-registration leads every single day into your account. They've also got an affiliate program, so if you refer somebody to the system, they will give you 100 leads as a bonus. Okay, so you'll be getting 200 leads every single day, and those leads accumulate in your account. The other thing we can do with myleadgensecret is we can chain our accounts together. Okay, so you see this link here where it says myleadgensecret, and then the 11290, that's my affiliate link. So if I click on this, okay, right click and then go, okay, it's going to give me a new page. And if I want to sign up for an additional account, I can do that. Okay, and what that does, that increases your leads quite substantially. I've got 1,000 leads every single day coming into this system. Okay, so because I've got 5 accounts all chained together. Okay, so that's that. Right, so what I'm going to do, when I go to Clickbank, I'm going to rush through this because I can feel this starting to go. Right, affiliate marketplace. E-business and e-marketing is the category we want. Live chat jobs that we're promoting, and we want rank high to low. Okay, so we're going to promote this, and tracking ID is going to be 1ML0702. It's today's date. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go over to a notepad, paste that in. So there it is pasted in. Look. Then we go to the affiliate page, which has got all the assets that you need. What we need is the email swipes. So let's have a look at 17. Let's copy that. So I'm going to select all the leads. I'm going to go to the saved emails. I'm going to load yesterday's email, keeps all the formatting, and we're going to come down. Oh, I've still got to wait 14 minutes. Right, okay, we can start doing this. Okay, so from there, we're going to put our numbers in. And those numbers, we're going to paste them in 4 times. Excuse me. Sorry. Something there. That's it. So what you'll be doing? I'm not actually going to edit this much because I ain't feeling it tonight. I had like 0 sleep last night, so I've been up coughing all night. I know you don't want to hear my problems, but sometimes we'll just get it done and get it out. We'll make some slight adjustments. Okay. Then we'll go and read it through. Now, Control V. Right, I'll grab the URL. And we've got 2 calls to action in this one. Got one further up. Right, let's give it a read through. So if you can converse in a friendly and natural way, we'd like to hire you for an important online position. We're seeking people who are polite and professional, as well as dependable. We regularly hire people for a wide range of positions relating to live chat and customer support work. Okay. In this particular case, we need people who can talk to prospective customers online. Click here for all the details. What you'll be doing as a conversation specialist, you will use online chat software to conduct short chats with website visitors. It's very similar to having a conversation over WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, so the role is easy to learn. You will assist people with any inquiries they may have. 90% of queries can be answered using existing templates or canned responses. Obviously, that's Google. The main requirement is to be polite and helpful at all times. Contract length. The rate. You must have a device that can access web chat. This can be done there. Okay, you must be able to follow instructions and work independently. You should also have a reliable okay, hours a week, 5 to 40 hours a week. Location, conversational specialists are in huge demand worldwide right now. If you qualify, please click here to convert your application, to complete your application now. Right, I'll do. That's good. Still got to wait 9 minutes though. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab this source code, because what happens when that 9 minutes runs out, it'll log you out. There we go. So what I'm going to do with a headline, what's worked well in the past, 20 to 35 per hour. I want to copy that. Not yesterday. Right, we'll go to. Okay, we're back. We've just got to access now, so we're going to put subject line in, and we're going to put the. That's wrong. Right, that's that pasted in. Yeah, and this is account number 2. So let's go now. There we go. Change these. Could do a quick preview as well. Yeah, it looks okay. Yeah, good. Send email. Right, I need to give them some leads. Oh no, that's the first account, sorry. There we go. Alright, send email. Good to go. So I'm trying not to talk too much tonight because I know if I start talking, I'll just end up coughing for 10 minutes. So, Alright, account number 2. Main system. Change it to number 2. And same for that one. Right, send email. There we go. On its way. Account, log out, log into account number 3. Well done. Good, perfect timing, and send email. There we go. 3 done, 2 to go. Right, account, log out. Mailing system, there we go. Okay. Right, last one, and we're done. You know when you got a really bad cough and you go and pull a muscle on your back, so it feels like not only have you got a bad cough, but you've also got a broken rib. Yay! So you can actually take a deep breath. Right, number 5. Perfect timing. Send email. Right, so let's have a quick look at Clickbank. Let's refresh the page. Let's see if today's the day we're going to get another sell live on the call. I have noticed that sales sometimes come in. I mean, I'm UK time, generally about 11 o'clock, because we're dealing with US leads. Right, if you got some value from that, do us a favour, subscribe, and I'll see you on the session tomorrow. Bye for now.